At Vibraint, we make the impossible possible by helping immobilized people to regain motion. 1 in 6 worldwide is affected by stroke. Most survivors experience paralysis, many of them very severe. Only 5% fully recovered their motor skills. At least 120 million worldwide live immobilized. Sadly, there are almost no tools on the market to treat large paralysis, especially during the early stages of rehabilitation, crucial for future mobility. To help immobile people return to self-sufficient lives, Vibraint has created a breakthrough rehabilitation robot directly controlled by the patient's brain, cutting-edge neurotechnologies. A non-invasive brain-computer interface, robotics, and virtual reality. All 3 work together to help the brain regain control over paralyzed limbs. The non-invasive brain-computer interface is the key component, which monitors a patient's brainwaves to detect desired movement, and then sends a robot to accomplish it. At the same time, the patient sees their arm moving in virtual reality according to their will. This helps the brain to rewire and restore voluntary motor control. With Vibraint Re-Up, patients improve mobility and take steps towards a more independent life.